G'day everybody, we'll just start with laminating these two Thermolite pieces together for the transom core using 600 gram chopped strand mat and vinyl ester resin. I'm absolutely loving the Thermolite, and I did a few tests and I'm very impressed with the bond strength of the vinyl ester resin. So there I'm just screwing those two sheets together. I'll let them cure, then they're ready for installation.
All right, so that's what I've come up with to clamp the transom. I'm just doing a test before I glue everything up. So I've got three quick brackets I just tacked up to hold the Thermolite against this rear sheet of existing transom. I've just got timber wedges which I can hit in, and they obviously pull it all together, and then I can use the clamps at the top. All right, so the inside face that's going to be butting up against the glass is all sanded up, and it's been cleaned up with acetone. Same with the inside face here. So I've just poured the epoxy resin in this. It's uncatalyzed at the moment. I'm just prepping so that I'm not going to be wasting time. Adhesive blend, the West Systems.
So I've added the hardener now to that epoxy, and I'm just applying an unthickened coat to the Thermolite transom core there. Also applying a coat there of unthickened epoxy to the inside of that existing transom skin.
All right, so the time lapse didn't work for me installing this transom, but it has gone so well. I coated both sides of the back of this Thermolite and also the inside of the old transom. Drilled some relief holes in the back here, just so the excess epoxy can come out and let any air bubbles out. I left the bung holes, so this is before I've cleaned it up, but it's definitely clamped, and very happy with the adhesion there. I'll just let it do its thing now. I'll clean up these sides in a sec. Just like that, all the epoxy is sanded off. The surfaces which are going to be laminated with vinyl ester resin. All right, so it's been 2 days since I installed this transom. Just been busy with work, so I'm going to attempt to remove all of this clamping. Obviously the epoxy, it's set very well. One of my concerns is whether these alloy bars are going to come off, because the epoxy, I reckon, has sort of gone down behind them in some areas. I did put some easy remove tape on the back of them, but we will see. We'll see if these come off. Okay. Not too bad. I think the blue tape that I put on these saved me, because the blue tape is actually very much adhered to the back of the boat, which is fine. I'm going to be sanding and prepping that whole thing anyway. So I think if I didn't have that this blue painter's tape, these alley bars would be definitely adhered to the back of the boat. But anyway, it's gone very well. Very happy.
All right, well, thanks for watching. Hopefully this video has helped some people with ideas on clamping a transom or bits and pieces like that. Next video will be on laminating the inside of the transom with double bias and vinyl ester, chopped strand mat, all that sort of stuff. All right, cheers.